In this video, I'm going to teach you how to install Amazon Prime Video on Smart TV. So your Smart TV can be a Samsung, Android, or other TVs. So all Smart TVs comes with Amazon Prime Video app pre-installed. However, if it doesn't come with that, you can head over first onto your App Store or your Google Play Store. You can tap on the home button on your remote, navigate to the apps, and then look for Amazon for there. You can also head over to your Google Play. On your Google Play, proceed to click onto the search bar and then search right here for Amazon Prime Video. You can also just search for Amazon Prime since it will still give you this. So proceed to click on this install if you don't have this. So once it's been installed, you can just proceed to actually add this or log in into the account that you have in order to use it on your TV and start streaming movies and TV shows. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video actually helped you out.